Tired of searching for the delete button in Wise? Here is exactly how to close your account in 60 seconds. First, log into your Wise account. Then follow these 2 simple steps to permanently delete it. So, let us get started. The first thing you want to do is log into your Wise account just like you normally would. Now, I have done this a few times myself, so I know exactly where that hidden option is buried. Go ahead and look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see your profile icon there. It might be a little photo of you, or just a generic silhouette. Click on that. Now here is the thing. Wise does not make this obvious on purpose. They want you to dig around. But once you click that profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu has all your account settings and preferences. Do not get distracted by all those other options. You are here for one thing only. This might take a second to load, but you will see a list of settings. And I know it can be tempting to click around and explore, but let us stay focused. That menu is the gateway to everything, including the delete option. Just make sure you have clicked the right icon. It is the one all the way in the top right corner of your screen, not the one in the navigation bar on the left. I have seen people get mixed up with that before. All right, so now that we have the menu open, let us move on to the next part. So now scroll down through that menu. You are looking for the option that says Close Account. It is usually near the bottom, almost like they want you to scroll past everything else first. In my experience, this is the step where people give up because they just do not see it. But trust me, it is there. Once you find Close Account, go ahead and click on it. Now, Wise is going to ask you a few questions. They might ask why you are leaving or try to offer you some incentives to stay. That's normal. Just acknowledge those prompts and keep moving forward. They want to make sure you really want to do this, and that is fair. You will probably need to confirm your decision one more time. Look for a button that says something like Confirm Closure or Delete My Account. Click that. And just like that, your account is on its way to being closed. It might take a moment for them to process it, but you have done the hard part. And there you go. From frustrated with an unwanted Wise account to successfully closing it in under 2 minutes. No more digging through confusing settings menus. No more wondering if you missed something. You are all set. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.